my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be showing you some viral DIY experiment, and I am going to be starting this new series, and I'll be uploading a video every Tuesday testing out something viral and which is taking over the internet. And today in this video I am going to be checking out if floss can remove your whiteheads or not. Even the blackheads, guys, we are going to be carrying out this experiment with the help of a floss. We are going to see it if it works or not, and we are quickly gonna be diving into the video. Before we dive into the guys, please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. And let's quickly get started now.
So guys, I have a disclaimer to make here, that is, it is gonna be a little bit gooey. So I took the floss and I applied it on my nose, and it really worked, guys. I could see whiteheads with the naked eye. And after that, this was my second go. It wasn't so much painful, but yes, it worked. These are the clips I'm adding in the middle, which I took with the help of the microscope, and it worked really great, and it's not painful at all to do. It's a little bit uncomfortable, maybe I can say that, but more than uncomfortable, it is very satisfying to watch. So as you guys can see, it has taken out whiteheads here, and here I have added the clips of the microscope to show you guys it really works. And I worked on it for good 2 to 3 minutes, and it worked wonderfully, guys. It is a very cheap alternative, gonna make your skin super smooth. And this is very satisfying for me to see that this has worked great. This is a viral DIY which actually works, and this is a total thumbs up from my side. You guys can totally go for this, and this is gonna clean your skin super well.
So guys, this is it for this video. I really hope that you find it really interesting. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. And I am going to be coming out with a new video on the next Tuesday with the same series. Till then, please take care. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and be a part of Beauty Squad. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notification every time I make upload. And you can also follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.